Sometimes it's nice when a piece of technology crosses my desk that solves a problem I don't have. I'm Erin from TechGadgetsCanada.com, and I recently got sent a sample of a device called Smart Nora. It's an anti-snoring gadget, and I thought, that's pretty cool, but we don't have a snoring problem in my house, or does everyone say that? Anyway, I enlisted the help of a couple of friends who do have a snoring problem to test it out for me. Kevin and Courtney did a full blog review, and it's online at techgadgetscanada.com. Head over there and check it out if you want some specific details. For now, though, I'm going to take you through how Smart Nora works and what it does exactly to curb snoring.
The Smart Nora is a small felted box that sits on your nightstand. Inside is a hard-sided pillow insert. There's an air bladder that goes inside that pillow insert and a rubber hose that's going to connect to the device so it can be inflated. That inflation is what's going to change the position of your head to stop snoring. So how does it know you're snoring? This little mouse-shaped device, or the Pebble, has acoustic technology that listens for your snoring, then reacts by inflating the pillow to reposition your head. To get things set up, you'll connect that rubber hose to a nozzle on the Smart Nora. Then you'll unfold the air bladder and insert it into the hard-sided cover. There's another softer cover you can wrap over this, but with it under your pillow, you may not need it. With everything connected, insert the bladder into your pillow and turn on the Pebble sensor. Depending on ambient noise around you or your level of snoring, you can adjust the sensitivity of the Smart Nora by toggling the buttons on the bottom of the Pebble. There's also a switch that lets your spouse trigger it manually if for some reason it doesn't come on when it's needed.
The Smart Nora comes with a host of travel adapters, implying that it's portable. And while that may be true, it's not exactly small. It's about the size of a lunchbox, so if you're going to pack it, you will have to make room for it.
So how does the Smart Nora work? Let's take a close-up look at what happens. When you start snoring, and please don't mind my fake imitation snoring for the purposes of this video, the Pebble senses it and automatically triggers air to start flowing into that bladder. That raises the pillow shell, and you'll see here why it needs to be hard-sided, because it's got to lift your head to move it out of its current snoring position. If you keep snoring, it keeps inflating, but once you reposition yourself, it stops, and it'll automatically deflate until it's needed again. Let's take another look at how it works with the pillow, and I'll speed this video up a bit so it's more noticeable. You snore, and it inflates and forces you to move your head into a better position. So will it wake you up? My tester said that for the first few nights it did take some getting used to, but after that, he stopped noticing it.
The big question on everyone's mind is this device going to wake me or my spouse up while it's running? So does it make any noise? And the answer is kind of, but not really. It does make a small buzz or a hissing, almost like the hum of some bees. It's not really noticeable, and I don't think it's going to wake up either you or your partner. And in fact, that's what my reviewers, Kevin and Courtney, said, was that it's so subtle, it's not disruptive. But why don't you be the judge? Take a listen and tell me what you think.
Do you hear that? Exactly. That's the bladder inflating from the compressor inside the felt box, and it's pretty well silent. At least I couldn't pick it up on the microphone I was using. So rest assured, you're probably not going to hear a thing either.
Overall, my snoring-plagued test couple, Kevin and Courtney, say the Smart Nora device definitely worked for them. In fact, they liked it so much that when I offered to let them keep it after the review period was over, they said they definitely wanted to hang on to it because it was helping. They found it super easy to set up, easy to use, and quiet while it was in operation. And overall, since it helped cut Kevin's snoring and give them both a better night's sleep, they definitely wanted to hang on to it. If you want to read more, their full review is online at techgadgetscanada.com. Head over there and check it out since it's got a lot more detail than I can provide in this short video. If you want to pick one of these up for yourself, the Smart Nora sells for about $299 from the company's website, and I'll make sure and put a link down here below. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful and you liked it, please hit that like button and consider subscribing, since it helps me keep making more videos that I hope you all can watch and enjoy. I'm Erin. Find me on Twitter or Instagram until the next time, at ErinLYYC.